Hi everyone, this is Simranjeet Kaur from Noida. I'm Masters in Commerce, B.Ed, as well as NET qualified in education, and I'm also Masters in Education. So after having so many degrees, of course it's related to education, so I got into teaching job for almost 10-11 years. I worked as a teacher in reputed schools of Delhi and Noida. But after working for so long, you can say there was no that we call self-esteem needs. Those were not fulfilled. Means something was missing. I cannot work under someone. I have to create my own brand. I have to work for myself, promote my brand. That was the idea that led me into the business. So today, being an entrepreneur, I handcraft my own worksheet booklets, which you can find on Facebook. The name is I Practice Worksheets by Simran. You can easily find on Facebook, and you can see the videos, the work that I do. I also run online activities. These activities are run not only in India but in all the time zones, I would say. We have children from US, UK and from various countries joining in with us. So there are many activities for children as well as academic solutions we provide. So how I would say how I got into this, the desire to work for my growth, not for some other organization growth. Work for to bring onto paper my ideas, my thoughts, what I want. I want myself to be known, not a person of so and so organization. I want myself to be known, frankly speaking. That greed to work for myself, that greed to earn and be independent totally, that greed to progress my brands, my personal work, that led me to start my own work, which you can easily find on Facebook. My profile is by the name Simranjeet Kaur, and my work is by the name I Practice Worksheets by Simran, as well as I run activities page also for children, which is known by the name Winning Kids. So I would share, it is not easy to be in the business. It is not at all easy. Job offers you security. It has plus and minus points, I would say, but you know that at the end of the month this much is coming. But this business, there is no surety. You need to have a lot of patience if you want to start something of your own. You may face setbacks, you may face losses, you may face many negative feedbacks, many people bringing you down, bringing your hope down. No, this is not going to work for you, you cannot do this. But I had that thing that when I have decided I have to do it. So today I successfully do many things, and yeah, my business is flourishing. So my recommendation to the women out there is, do something that fulfills your esteem needs. Do something that makes you independent. Do something of your own. Don't be dependent on others. If you know you can do something or you can learn, go for some learning and start your own venture or start earning for yourself. The money that you bring from your hard work, that it gives a different joy. Seriously, it gives a different joy. The money which is earned after your hard work, you're spending that money, that's a different joy. You're not asking money from others. These things brought me into the business. And the foremost point I would want to convey, what is required in the business is consistency. Every day you have to show up. Every day, every single day you have to show up. You have to work. I also juggle with my work and with my other responsibilities. I have a child as well, so I juggle with handling a child, handling other chores, handling my work also. But yes, then the satisfaction I find in doing everything, there's no match to that satisfaction, because there's a joy that comes from inside, that yes, I have my own identity. I'm not known by connected to so and so person. I'm not known by the surname of others. I have my own identity. I work. Yes, I work for myself, for my child. I work, I earn, and that perseverance has to be, means even if you fail, keep working. Even if you face losses, keep working. That's the joy of doing business. That's the meaning of being an entrepreneur. Just show up daily, even if you're facing heavy losses, but somewhere you know that yes, you can make it, yes, you can do it. Just go for it. Do it. One day definitely will be yours, and that day, when the day when you achieve success, when you know that yes, you are growing, yes, you are known by many people, that joy would bring a higher self-esteem and a different kind of satisfaction. So that's all for now. Find me on Facebook, follow me on Insta. Goodbye. See you.